When it comes to creating social video content, the audio can be just as important as the video. Your visuals can be top shelf, but if your sound is bad, well then a lot of your audience are just going to switch off. Sony knows this, and so for their blogger-centric ZV-1, they've gone with a 3-mic array. The microphones are directional, and this means that they focus on the sound that's going on in front of the lens. This is perfect for vloggers because it means that you can accentuate the voice while hopefully blocking out potentially distracting background sounds. As a nice practical touch, Sony include a windshield in the box. This drops straight into the ZV-1's hot shoe and hopefully blocks out some of the wind noise that's going on around. Can't do much for cars though. Might need a bigger shield for that. There is also software wind reduction, but in my experience it can sometimes not have the optimal effect on your audio quality, so it's there if you need it, but I probably wouldn't rely on it. Since the ZV-1 does have a microphone input, you can actually pair it with any microphone you want, and well, since it's a hot shoe, means that I've gone and stuck my venerable VideoMic Pro on there. I'll be honest, it does look a little bit silly jutting out from this otherwise very compact setup, but it's nice to be able to have that option and the flexibility. The only downside is that there's no headphone jack, and that means that I cannot monitor my levels. I do have audio meters up on the screen, but I have no idea whether we've got hissing or buzzing or any distracting background sound, and I won't be able to check that until I import the footage. There is a speaker on the camera, but I really wouldn't use it for anything critical.